Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next problem. Problem number 28. Okay. Fluid mechanics, problem number 28. As usual, we first come towards statement. Gold brick. You win the lottery and decide to impress your friends by exhibiting $1 million cube of gold. Okay, dear student, this is the cost of that gold cube. Okay, $1 million. 10 raised to the power $6. Okay, cube means length into power 3, because cube has all the three sides equal. Okay, we can assume that cube has length equal to width equal to height, so cube becomes equal to L raised to the power 3. Okay, at the time the gold is selling for $426.60 per troy ounce, and 1.0000 troy ounce equals 31.1035 gram. How tall would your $1 million cube be? So we have to find that L. Dear students, here our strategy will be that actually two costs are given. Okay, from one cost we will find the value of 1 gram. Okay, 1 gram, rather 1 gram value is not necessary. We will try to find against $1 how many mass can be purchased. Okay, total here mass given is 31 gram. Okay, 31.1035 gram. Okay, this mass has value $426, but we will try to find how many mass will become against $1, so that in the next step we will find mass against 10 raised to the power $6, that is $1 million. Hence in this way we will find mass. Okay, anyhow we move towards solution. Density is mass per unit volume. If a mass m of homogeneous material has volume V, its density rho is given by rho is equal to m over V. Equation number 1, we know from table of densities that density of gold is 19,300 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, gold 19.3 into 10 raised to the power 3. Okay, we have used this so many times, but despite this, for the removal of any doubt, I have once again shown the table in which density of gold is given. Okay, we know from the table of densities that density of gold is so. Okay, let L be the length, and V be the volume of the gold cube. Okay, then this implies that volume is equal to L cube, because volume is equal to length into width into height, and in case of gold cube, length, width and height, all three are equal. Okay, that is why volume has become equal to L cube. Okay, so hence, because length, width, height, all the three are equal, so we can also denote it by V equal to W cube, width cube. But why we will do this unnecessary step? This is okay. Volume is equal to L cube. Then this implies that when we will have to find L, then definitely we will take cube root on both sides. Okay, hence cube root will appear only on V, while L will become simply L. Okay, 3 will be cancelled with cube root. Okay, cost of cube of gold is equal to $1 million, 10, that is 10 raised to the power $6. Cost of 31.1035 gram of gold is equal to $426.60. Okay, from here, when cost of so many gram is equal to so many dollars, then definitely cost of 1 gram of gold will be equal to this over that dollar, and hence it becomes equal to $13.715. Okay, that is cost of, when cost of 31 gram is so many dollars, then cost of 1 gram will be equal to $13.715. I think this value will not be used anywhere, but despite this we have calculated. Okay, conversely, worth of $13.715 is equal to 1 gram of gold. Okay, in the next last step, this now we have moved conversely. Okay, that so many dollar are equal to 1 gram, then $1 will be equal to 1 divided by this 13.715. Okay. Conversely, worth of this so many dollar is equal to 1 gram of gold. Hence, worth of $1 is equal to 1 divided by 13.715 gram of gold. Okay. When we have found worth of $1, then definitely we can easily find out worth of $1 million. Hence, this will be multiplied with 1 million. Okay, and hence after simplifying, this becomes equal to so many gram of gold. Okay, if we divide this quantity by 1000, then this gram will be converted into kilogram. Okay, so it alternatively becomes equal to 72.91287 kilogram of gold. This implies that this is M, mass, that is 72 that is kg. Okay, from here we can find weight. Weight is equal to mg. G is acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so what we have done, we have simply multiplied it with 9.8 meter per second square, and hence weight has become equal to 714.546 Newton, which alternatively becomes equal to 160.636 pound. Okay, dear students, to the extent of Newton, we have not not made any conversion. Okay, actually, dear students, there is a minor negligible mistake that with this value there is a kg here 72.91285 kilogram into this. So kilogram meter per second square is equal to Newton. Okay, to the extent of this value we have not used any conversion factor. Okay, dear students, here there is a very minor mistake that kg has not been placed with this quantity, that is 72.91287. okay, this kg will be multiplied with meter per second square, and hence we know that Newton is equal to kilogram meter per second square. So this has become equal to Newton. However, here we have used the conversion factor. Okay, we have used such conversion factors so many times that there is no need to explain this step, that so many newtons are equal to so many pounds. Okay, to this extent our problem is quite clear. Now we move to next step. Using mass equal to this kg, rho equal to 19,300 kilogram per meter cube, that is a density of gold. Rho is equal to this in equation number 1 we get. Okay, in place of rho we have used this value, in place of m we have used this value, while in place of v we have not used any value because we have to find out volume v. Okay, in the next step we have kept volume on one side and all other terms on other side. Okay, this implies that volume has become equal to so. Okay, now dear students, we take cube root on both sides. Okay, when we take cube roots on both sides, then it will become v raised to the power 1 by 3, and we know that v raised to the power 1 by 3 is equal to L, and hence L has become equal to, when we will take cube root of this, meter cube will be converted into simply m. Okay, that is to say 3 will be cancelled with this 3, and cube root of 0.00378 will become 0.156 meter. Okay, it can also be converted into centimeter by multiplying it with 100. Okay, when we convert meter into centimeter we multiply with 100. When we convert centimeter into meter we divide by 100. Okay, now dear students, I show where this expression occurs. Here is that expression. Okay, volume is equal to L cube, and hence volume is equal to L cube, and cube root of volume is equal to L. Okay, dear students, when we simply say cube it means power 3 raised to the power 3, but when we say cube root it means 1 raised to the power 1 over 3, 1 divided by 3. Okay, so we have almost solved our problem. Actually, dear students, here there is a minor mistake, a minor error with this mouse. Its scroll functioning is not working. Its scroll is not working properly. That is why I have to move this up and down instead of scrolling it. Okay, so volume is equal to this, and we have taken cube root on both sides, and we know that cube root of volume is equal to length, and hence length has become equal to 0.156 meter, and it is our discretion that we can convert meter into centimeter, and hence it will take this form. Okay, I think this is the solution of our problem. Now we move to next. There is nothing, there are only tables. Okay, from this table we had shown the value of density of gold, and in next there is only a reference.